Welcome to the Wealth Wave channel, your go-to resource for financial knowledge and empowerment. If you're new here, we're all about smart money management, savvy investing, and debunking financial myths. Today, we're tackling a big one, the myth that low income means you can't save. We'll be exploring this misconception and introducing you to a game-changing saving strategy, the 50-30-20 rule. So, get ready to shift your perspective and open the door to financial freedom. Without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. It's a common misconception that low income means an inability to save, but that's not the reality. Let's debunk this myth together, shall we? We often justify our lack of savings by saying we don't make enough money. We think that we need heaps of cash to start saving, but that's not the case. The reality is, what you need more than money is time. Time to let your savings grow, time to let your investments mature. Imagine this. You're at the beach and you want to build a sandcastle. You don't need a truckload of sand to start, do you? No, you start with a handful and then another and another. Before you know it, you've got a sandcastle. The same principle applies to savings. You don't need a mountain of money to start. What you need is consistent effort, no matter how small, over time. And that's where the concept of smart saving comes in. Smart saving isn't about the amount, but the consistency. It's about making saving a habit, not a chore. One of the most popular strategies for smart saving is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule provides a clear structure to balance spending and saving, making it easier to cultivate a habit of constant saving. So you see, saving isn't about how much you earn, but rather how wisely you manage it. One of the most effective saving strategies is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a straightforward approach to managing your finances, and it's as simple as it sounds. Let's break it down. The first 50% of your income is allocated to your needs. These are your bare essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, the things you absolutely can't do without. Next, 30% of your income goes to your wants. This could be anything from your Netflix subscription to that pair of shoes you've been eyeing. It's important to indulge a little, but remember, moderation is key. Finally, the last 20% of your income goes straight to your savings and investments. This could be a rainy day fund, a retirement account, or investments in stocks or real estate. Let's say you earn $2,000 a month. That means $1,000 for needs, $600 for wants, and $400 for savings and investments. With this rule, you can start saving and investing, no matter your income level. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful strategy to start saving, regardless of your income. It's time to implement the 50-30-20 rule in your financial plan. Remember, it's not about earning more, it's about saving smarter. So, subscribe, like, and activate notifications for more financial wisdom from Wealth Wave. Until next time, stay savvy and keep riding the Wealth Wave.